Hello, welcome to all my dear students to this online lecture. I am your computer teacher and my name is Shweta Yadav, and today is our computer lecture and our topic is about paint. So before starting our lecture, I hope you all are fine at your place. Take care of yourself and stay home, stay safe, and also says that wash your hand continuously with the alcohol based hand rub. Cover your mouth with the nose and avoid the close contact. Now see in the previous lecture what we will study. So the first topic that we study in the previous lecture is how to start a paint. This is the first topic that in the previous lecture we study, that how to start a paint, what is the use of the paint and how it works. These three things we learn in the previous lecture. So see the short description. Find the desktop. The desktop is the main screen of our laptop or computer. See, this picture shows my laptop screen and this is my desktop screen. In the desktop screen we have to search the search tab. See the black bottom line, we call them taskbar. What? It's called taskbar. Find the taskbar from the desktop and click on the search tab. What? Click on the search tab. You can see here this round circle. The circle is search tab icon. We have to just click here and type here the paint spelling. What? A paint spelling. Any program that you have to open, you have to just write their spelling. So see in this picture I am writing here the paint spelling, P-A-I-N-T, paint. So the paint program will appear at the top. Best match. What? The best match, the paint program, and you can see here the color plate and the brush. It is the icon of paint program. So we have to just click on this paint icon and the paint window will be open. What? The paint window will be open. You can see this paint window. Yes, in the previous lecture we can open the paint window and draw some paint. So in the paint window, the white color page is for drawing area. We call them drawing area. What? Because they are white page, it is used to draw anything. So we call them drawing area. What? Drawing area. We can see here the search icon, undo, redo, and the untitled paint. It is the by default paint name, file menu, home menu, view menu. We can click on the file menu and open the new menu, save the paint window, open the another paint window, open the new paint window, also print on the paper. This all things done by this file tab. Which? File tab. And the home tab, after clicking on the home tab, this ribbon. What it's called? Ribbon. So ribbon will be appear on your screen and it is used to draw. This is the different shape. From here different brush, from here size we choose the different line of shapes. Color 1 is the default paint color, color 2 is the another option of paint, and these all are different colors to fill a picture. Yes, so these all things we learn in this previous lecture, right? Okay, now see. This is our desktop window. I am again opening this paint window so you can understand how to start a paint clearly. Now see, this is a desktop window. In the desktop window we have to find the taskbar, the bar at the bottom of the desktop, and from the taskbar we have to search the search tab. What? We have to search the search tab. So where is the search tab? Here. You can see here the written, type here to search. Click on these and write the paint program spellings. And what is the paint program spelling, students? P-A-I-N-T. Now see, here the paint icon display the paint application and here the recent file of the paint that we save in the previous lecture. Okay, now see, we have to just click on the paint and the paint window will be open. Now you can understand it clearly. So by clicking on the maximize button, the window become bigger. Now see, in the previous lecture we draw something, right? Anyone have remembered this? In the previous lecture what we have draw? Now see, if we want to open the previous file we save in the computer, then which tab is used to open the existing file in our computer? So first of all, click on the file tab. Okay, click on the file tab. From the file tab you can see here the recent pictures is written. Yes, recent pictures. From the recent pictures, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, this is the number that recently done in our Paint program. So Shweta demo is the last added picture. So click on the name and see this picture, it's come here. Remember this picture? In the previous lecture we can draw it. Remember na? Okay, now see some another tool in this lecture we can see. You can see here the 100% is written here, zoom level, minus and the plus sign is here, and this arrow. By pressing the mouse left button and move our cursor from left, right, the picture come bigger and smaller. Understanding this? Bigger, or by pressing the minus key it comes small. So this picture is very small. Yes, now I want to zoom it, then I am doing this. Understand this? Zoom in, zoom out from the Paint. Okay, now see, in the lecture we can color it the sky color, also draw birds, and we can also copy or paste bird. Yes, from the select tab we can select the bird and then copy and then paste. So the one bird come here. But now see, in this background the sky background is appear, so we put this here, so it match with the sky and current place. Now see, we have to fill the different color in this picture, the home, the river and the tree. So first of all, what we have to do for color? What? Take a color picture and choose the color from here. Okay, now see, in the river which color we want to fill? Watercolor, right? Blue color. So take it the blue color by clicking the mouse left button and put it here. So you can see here the river is drawn here. Look like a river, yes? Okay, now turn for tree. We have to color the tree also. So take it the green color, but we have choose this green color in the grass. Yes, and mountain also. So now take a different green color, the dark green color for the tree color. So from the editing color, you can see this box, edit colors. Click on the edit colors and now see here the different color and different shades. For example, I want to choose the dark green color. You can see here this dark green is available. Now see, by moving the upside this cursor, the color become light. You can see, but I want to dark green, so I think it's enough dark at this level and this color. So I want to add this green color in my color picture box. So add custom colors. Click on the add custom color. So this color will be display here. So okay. Now see, this color will be here. Color 1. Color it here. So it's a dark green shade of tree color. Yes? Yes, right? Now this I want to fill the color here, brown color, dark brown. So brown is here. Now color it. Its shade is correct or not? I think it's not good. So the undo arrow. What is the use of undo arrow? Cancel the last action. What? Cancel the last action. So cancel it. Now edit. Choose the dark brown shade from the here. I think it's enough, this shade. So add and OK. So now the brown color is here and color it. So it better than first color. Yes, it is better than first color. So now the river is done, tree is done, pictures look very nice. Now the home, we have to color the home. So take your color from here. I take it this color and fill it here. Another color, choose here. Any color that you fill in the house. This is your choice to fill the color and also draw the picture. If you are having the computer and laptop, again I am saying practice it, open the paint program and draw anything that you want. Just draw it and try the paint application and work with them. So you can understand computer verily and smoothly you can run it. Whatever you want to type, whatever you want to draw, you can do it at your home. Okay, now here I think this color is enough. Okay, picture is complete now. Yes, the picture is complete now. But if you want to add something more, then you can again put the shapes and line and draw it here. What? Draw it here. So you can do it. For example, I want this circle. Remember that the color one always black whenever you are drawing. Now I want this size of line smaller and the color of them green. Okay? Any have idea what I am drawing here? Anyone? No idea? Okay. Now see, the smaller circle I am doing here. I am selecting this, right click, and the copy option is not available currently, so Ctrl Z, then again choose the circle. I think it's too bigger. So take it again and draw the small one and select tab, select the circle also, Ctrl C, it means copy, and Ctrl V, so it means paste. So this circle is copy and the paste. Now I think you have an idea that what I am doing. Yes? Understanding what I am drawing here? Choose the white color and take a color picker and draw it. Oops, there is a mistake. I fill the outside of the circles. So look nice, na? If you doesn't want, then you can undo it and cancel it. Then it's normal. Erase all things. If you want this, again do it by clicking on the redo. So it comes again. Now this picture is complete. If you want another thing to draw, then you can draw it using different shapes. Whatever you draw. Okay, now we take another picture and draw it new. This one is completed. I think it's enough. Now again, before closing this picture, remember you have to must save this file. What? You must have to save this file, so the current last action that saved in this computer. Now from this file I want to open the new paint window. What I want to do? New paint window open. So what we do? Click on the file tab and new. So it comes the new window, new paint window, right? So now what we have to draw? I am taking one circle here, bigger circle. Yes? Another one. And changing the picture size by the edges of this line. Again choose it and draw it. Now adjust the circle with the pictures by pressing the mouse left button and drag it. So easy na to draw a paint in the computer. It's so easy, I think. Now see, here is the mistake. I don't want this circle shape. So, and the selected line also remove. So what? Undo it. So it come. It is. Again I am choosing this circle, draw it here and fill it. What I am drawing here? Guess what I am drawing here? Another smaller circle I want to draw. The last one. I think it's enough circles. Nice? Okay. Choose the star shapes here. I just want to draw something new, so I just select here the stars also and draw it. Simple draw it. And the adjust with this picture. What? Adjust with this picture. Again I am doing this, taking a star, adjust with the picture. Four corner side I am doing this. Take a star and make it. I am draw something here. Now see, I am one make mistake here, so I erase it, taking by eraser. Now color it. The picture is complete. I think it's enough. So now color it. Take again the color picker, choose the color that you want to fill. You can see here I am filling these pictures in the colors. Yes? It's look very nice. I am choosing the different color and fill it. I think blue shade is not correct here, so again erase it and fill it. Choose the different color from this and fill the color. Oh, one mistake again. I am pressing here, so again undo. Okay, now this color is so boring, so take another and choose the red shade and the dark shade from this. Add OK. Choose different shade that you want to fill in this picture. See here, the new shade is added. Another, which color? I think in the green shade, orange shade. We choose the different orange shade from this here. Any color that you want to fill of your choice. Okay, it done. Now fill it. This color here, the light and the dark color combination I am choosing here and color it. Light and dark color. Take it this one. Choose this one color. It's repeat again, so I don't want repeated color, so erase it again. This one, it's so light, it's not look good, so erase it again. So take another one and try it. I think it's good. Okay, now turn off this shade and color here. No, it's boring, so erase again. Choose the different color from the here. The red one added. Okay, choose the red one and fill it. And the last one we add a black color. Which black color? Okay, and in this star, which color you want to fill, you can fill it, but it's not good color, so I think this dark green. Okay, this also mismatch, so choose the different color and fill it. If you want fill, see, one mistake also, I am done it here, but it's not the place that I want to fill the color. So again, you have to make sure that choose the current place that you want to fill in these shapes. Yes, so by clicking the mouse left button, you can fill it the colors, so it's look very nice. You can drag it the different shapes, lines also, and draw anything. What? See, one another thing I want to just display here. Select this wall picture by clicking the mouse left button, and now see, I want to move this picture here, so it can move here easily. Understanding how to move the picture from one side to another side? It's so easy. Now see, choose the different shapes here and draw anything that you want to draw. Yes, choose anything and draw it. You can take any picture and make anything, and it's look nice if you draw any shape like that. And choose the color. The triangle shapes also here, so take it the triangle shapes and draw it here. Yes, now fill the color. Choose the different color, but remember that take the color picker can. Without color picker can, you cannot fill the color. You can see here I am choosing the different colors from here and fill it. So easy, so simple. Yes, I am doing very fast, choosing the color very fast. You can see here. Yes, the color is also changed and picture is also changed. After coloring, pictures look very nice. Before we just draw it anything, and after coloring we can draw nice picture. Now see how it's look. after color. Looks very nice, na? Interesting also. Yes. Now this color is remains, so fill it here. So now this picture is complete. All the corner of picture is done here. Yes, it's done here. Now see, another thing that in this lecture we can study this brush. You can see this brush. In the previous lecture we also do it this brush, but in this lecture we use this pump. You can see just I am clicking the mouse left button and just put it, drops. So design is done. You can see design is doing. Choose the another brush also, the crayon brush style. Choose the color. So the crayon, it means in the page we use the crayon color to color it. So it's like that, but I don't like this, so I want to erase. Take another brush, how it's work. See it again. This one, the first brush, and the color is this. Now see, it's work like a line. Yes, but erase it because we not use this. Now see this, it's a pen style. Now I think this brush, it's a watercolor brush. You can see the watercolor brush, the shade is given here. See, it's similar to watercolor brush. Yes, everywhere just I want spread this brush and it's look like watercolor brush. Similar to this. Again choose the brush. I think this is the normal brush. The most interesting this one brush and this one, the two brush is very interesting to draw something new. Now see this A text. You can see the A letter, capital A letter from the here. Yes. So by clicking on this and by pressing here, the text area is come here. You can see this called text area, and the cursor blinking here. You can see this cursor also. And use your both hand and type something that written in this text. The letter is very nice, but the color I want black or the dark green. So I choose this color black. And I am writing this, my foot is here of picture of shapes. What? Picture of shapes. And select how to select. Press the mouse left button and drag it and see the color that you want to change it. Change it here by choose any color that you want to fill and its color change. What? Its color change. Dark, italic, underline, absolute, anything that you want to do, you can do it. It's nice, very nice. Yes, different shapes. With the shapes we can see the different pictures and color it and how it's look. By clicking here, choosing the different font style. What? Different font style. So this is our A text. Again I am pressing here and one number. Now here I am put it here. So this is our one number picture. Now again I am taking the text, click here and written 2 and I am drag it here. So this is our second number picture. You can see it's very easy to write anything in the paint. 1 number picture, 2nd number picture, and pictures of shapes. So this is our paint program, and how it's work we can see this. Now see, if you are having your computer or laptop at your home, so please open it and color it and draw it anything that you want to draw. Please do it at your home so you can continuously grow up your computer language and computer knowledge, and you enjoy it. You enjoy it. So please try it. Don't waste your time. You can draw anything of your choice. Okay, now today's lecture is over here. We completed the first picture also and this one also. The last thing that we want to learn here, this is to save this paint file. Again we are display this topic so you can understand. So now see, this is the untitled paint is written here, so it means the paint file is not saved. The paint file is not saved. So for saving we click this one. The Save As dialog box is open. Here press the backspace key from the keyboard. So the untitled is erase and write the name of the paint. See, this PC picture is the path of your paint file. In this path your paint picture is saved. See here the pictures, and this is our picture steps, and here we have to save our paint file. So which name we gave? Picture of shapes. I want to give this name of pictures of shapes, and save it. Now see, the name is display here, pictures of shapes. So now we can say it that paint file is saved. What? The paint file is saved. So now I think I stop this lecture here. I hope you are enjoying this lecture by drawing the different shape, uses a different brush here, and how to choose the different color shade from the pictures. So make a practice of the paint and also the notepad also. In the previous lecture we can study the notepad program, so the also practice of typing and the drawing you have to must do at your home. Bye everyone, take care, stay home, stay safe.